If you're still trying to make money online the 2020 way, you're already behind. Because in 2026, AI isn't replacing side hustles, it's powering them. Right now, regular Americans are using artificial intelligence to earn from home, without coding, without huge startup costs, and without quitting their job. The question isn't, does AI make money? The question is, are you using it or are you being replaced by it? Welcome to Money Fandom, where we break down the systems that make money work for you. Today, I'm showing you real AI side hustles that actually pay in 2026. No hype, no guru nonsense, just real plays. Let's get into it. Computer 1. AI content creation, faceless and scalable. You don't need to show your face anymore. AI tools can now write scripts, generate voiceovers, edit videos, create thumbnails, repurpose content. People are running YouTube automation channels, short-form content pages, niche blogs, email newsletters from home. Here's the key. You don't sell AI content, you sell attention. AI just makes production faster. Monetization methods, YouTube ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, digital products. Some small creators are scaling to $1,000 to $5,000 per month by combining AI tools with consistency. But here's the catch. You still need strategy. AI doesn't replace thinking, it multiplies output. Brain 2. AI prompt engineering for businesses. Businesses don't understand AI, but they know they need it. Local companies are hiring freelancers to set up AI chat systems, build automated customer responses, create AI-powered marketing workflows, train staff on AI tools. This is not coding, this is setup and optimization. Small businesses in the US are paying anywhere from $500 to $3,000 per project for AI implementation help. You can learn the tools in weeks. The opportunity is in positioning yourself as the bridge, AI translator for business owners. Palette 3. AI graphic and design services. Design used to require years of training. Now, AI tools generate logos, ad creatives, social media graphics, product mock-ups. The mistake beginners make? Selling AI art. The smarter move is selling branding packages using AI for speed. Businesses pay for outcomes, not tools. You use AI to reduce time, you charge for value. Freelancers combining AI plus Canva plus brand strategy are turning small gigs into consistent income. Graph 4. AI-powered freelance writing and copy. Writing isn't dead, bad writing is. AI helps generate drafts fast, but editing, tone, and persuasion still matter. Smart freelancers use AI to speed up research, create outlines, draft versions quickly, then refine manually. This increases output 3 to 5x. Clients care about results. More clicks, more sales, better engagement. AI becomes your assistant, not your replacement. Increasing chart 5. AI stock and data research assistants. Important, this is not financial advice, but some people use AI to analyze market trends, company earnings, sector shifts, news summaries. AI helps process data faster. Investors use it for research summaries, idea generation, risk analysis comparisons. The money isn't just in investing, it's in creating content around insights. Financial newsletters, market breakdown channels, trend reports. Attention plus insight equals income. Robot 6. AI automation for e-commerce. Shopify sellers are using AI for product descriptions, customer email flows, ad copy testing, chat support. You can offer AI optimization services to e-commerce brands. Small US stores struggle with marketing automation. You learn the tools, you package the service, you charge monthly retainers. Automation is recurring revenue. Microphone 7. AI voice and audio services. Voice cloning and AI audio tools are exploding. People are creating audiobooks, narrating content, producing podcasts, building meditation apps. You don't need a studio. You need clean scripts, good editing, smart niche selection. There is still demand for voice content. AI reduces production cost. You focus on distribution. Books 8. Selling AI-based digital products. Low cost, high leverage. Examples: AI prompt packs, business workflow templates, social media content systems, budget planners enhanced with AI. Once created, digital products sell repeatedly. No inventory, no shipping. The key: solve a clear problem. Help real estate agents automate listing posts. That's better than 100 random prompts. Specific wins. House 9. Remote AI customer support specialist. Companies are integrating AI chatbots, but bots still need supervision. Some remote jobs now include monitoring AI conversations, training models with feedback, handling complex escalations. It's a hybrid work from home, AI assisted, not AI replaced. This is a growing category in 2026. Warning: the truth about AI side hustles. Now let's get honest. AI is not magic money. Most people fail because they jump tool to tool. They chase trends daily. They avoid consistency. AI multiplies action. If you're lazy, it multiplies nothing. If you're disciplined, it multiplies output. The opportunity isn't in using AI, it's in combining AI with skill. Fire: how to pick the right one. Ask yourself, do you prefer creative work, then content and design? Analytical, then research and data? Technical but not coding, then automation and setup? Sales-oriented, then AI services for businesses? Pick one, master it for 90 days, then expand. Money: realistic expectations. Can you make $10,000 next week? No. Can you build $1,000 to $3,000 per month from home in 6 to 12 months? Yes, but it requires skill stacking, consistency, positioning. AI gives leverage. You provide value. Rocket: future outlook. Why 2026 is different. In 2026, AI tools are mainstream. Businesses are adapting. Competition is increasing. The early window is closing, but opportunity still exists for specialists, educators, integrators, strategists. The people who understand how to use AI intelligently will win, not the ones who fear it. Acting clap: you can complain that AI is taking jobs, or you can use AI to create income. The system is changing. The question is whether you adapt with it. This is Money Fandom. If you want more breakdowns on building income, understanding finance, and navigating the new economy, subscribe, because in 2026, the people who learn fast earn fast, and the ones who ignore the shift get left behind.